YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer. The YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer for cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen essential designed to make oil usage more convenient, efficient, and health-conscious. Combining a spray and pour function in 16-ounce premium glass bottle, it's perfect for a variety of cooking needs including air frying, grilling, roasting, salad dressing, and barbecue. This multi-purpose dispenser allows users to switch easily between misting and pouring, offering flexibility in the kitchen. Crafted from thick, lead-free glass and BPA-free, food-grade PP material, the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer ensures durability and safety. Its transparent design lets users monitor oil levels at a glance. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to refill without spills, while its refillable and reusable nature supports sustainable cooking habits. Precision is a highlight. Each spray releases approximately 0.2 grams of oil, helping to control oil intake and promote healthier meals. The ergonomic design includes a front-facing nozzle and rear handle for clean, mess-free operation, keeping your hands oil-free while cooking. Whether you're a home chef or grilling enthusiast, the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer offers the perfect blend of functionality, health-conscious design, and ease of use, making it a must-have tool for every modern kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.